nice presentation. Now I invited for next presentee, Subha Singh Parihar, Research Scholar, APS University, Rewa.
Sir, वो pointer. Sir, pointer please. Okay, myself Shubha Parihar and my research topic is geomagnetic storms in relation with coronal mass ejections and solar wind plasma disturbance during decline phase of solar cycle 24. So as an abstract, coronal mass ejections are key causal link between solar eruptions and major interplanetary solar wind disturbance and geomagnetic storms. So we have analyzed here geomagnetic storms having magnitude above than 50 nanotesla observed during decline phase of solar cycle 24 with, actually this is the relation with coronal mass ejections. So I take with coronal mass ejections and disturbance in solar wind plasma parameters, interplanetary magnetic field and solar wind plasma density.
Only 5 minutes is allowed to you
Yes,
for your
sir.
presentation.
Yes, sure, sir.
And I think your abstract is very lengthy.
Yes,
So
sir.
please conclude it in very short words. Okay?
Yes, sir. So through abstract, I have concluded that major cause of geomagnetic storms are coronal mass ejections and associated disturbances in interplanetary magnetic field. So as an introduction, solar wind magnetosphere coupling. So it is known that solar wind drives geomagnetic activity in the Earth's magnetosphere ionosphere system. So it is the so solar wind magnetosphere coupling is the study how the solar wind produce that activity along with other changes in the Earth's magnetosphere. So in present investigation, we have studied geomagnetic storms in relation to solar mass ejections and solar wind plasma disturbances during decline phase of solar cycle 24. So it's a geomagnetic storm. Actually, PPT does not stream properly. So this is the geomagnetic storms. So what is this? So it's a major disturbance of Earth's magnetosphere that occurs when very efficient exchange of energy from solar wind into space environment surrounding Earth. Then it's a CME, coronal mass ejections. So are huge eruptions of plasma and magnetic fields from sun's corona that propagate through the heliosphere and can eventually impact planets and spacecraft. So as slow as its speed is 250 km per second and as fast as it takes 3000 km per second. And then solar flares, sometimes a sudden, rapid and intense variation in brightness seen on the sun. That is the solar flares, the interplanetary magnetic field. Interplanetary magnetic plays huge role how the solar wind interact with the Earth's magnetosphere. Then it's experimental data. In this investigation, for this work, data of different types of coronal mass ejections are taken from SOHO, that is large angle spectrometric, then coronagraph, SOHO LASCO, and extreme UV ultraviolet imaging telescope SOHO EIT data. Then to determine disturbance in geomagnetic storms and solar wind plasma parameter, hourly data of DST index and solar wind plasma has been used and taken from OVNI web data. Then X-ray class solar flares and other solar data, solar geophysics.
Your time is over. Just
Yes.
conclude within 1 minute.
Okay, sir. So through data analysis, I have main results and conclusions. So we analyzed that majority of geomagnetic storms, I think it is 86.42% are associated with coronal mass ejections. And geomagnetic storms in peak value of associated disturbances in interplanetary magnetic field, that is large positive correlated with correlation coefficient 0.62. And then when we correlate with geomagnetic storms associated disturbances in solar wind plasma density, so it's also positive correlated with correlation coefficient 0.29. And magnitude of geomagnetic storms and magnitude of disturbance in solar wind plasma density, that is also positive correlated, and large magnitude are associated with correlation coefficient 0.25. So we have concluded that major cause of geomagnetic storms are coronal mass ejections and associated disturbances in interplanetary magnetic field. So thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Sushma Singh Parihar,
Thanks a lot, sir.
for your presentation. Give me a minute.